Hi, I'm Dora Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup Blog. And I think I'm filming the last video for 2024, and just in time too, because I have been staring at this. This is my Ipsy box for December. Let's see what's inside, shall we? Okay, then. So for the month of December, we have the lovely Ipsy BoxyCharm box with a lovely holiday-ish kind of cover with wrapped in a beautiful red bow with a gorgeous model on the cover. This is, oh, I've been staring at this. This is from Rodial. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. No, I'm so sorry. I will put the pronunciation somewhere on the screen. This is their Dragon's Blood, and it's an eye gel. Hydrate and tone. So excited. Dragon's Blood. That's so interesting. Why is it called Dragon's Blood? I don't know. Maybe because it has an ingredient called Dragon's Blood. I don't know, but I was fascinated by the name, I have to say. And okay, this is the actual product versus the container. I'm always a little sus about the packaging being way bigger than the actual product, but okay. If you want me to feature this in a separate video, let me know in the comments below. The next thing I see here is from Ofra, and this is their verified liquid liner. Exciting. Like if I want a low-key look, eyeliner, blush, and powder is the way to go. Okay, here's another instance where it's like, okay, here's the packaging, and here's the product. Yikes. And I'm sure there's a reason why they do it this way, to make it less, I don't know, takeable, but I don't know, it's just, all right. Let's see how this looks on the inside. Okay, I found it kind of open, so kind of, ooh, beautiful pigmented color. Like that. I see something in this cute little box like so. I don't know what that is, but you might be able to read it. What does it say? Natasha Denona Rose and Wood Palette. Natasha Denona. Or who is it? Someone calls it Natasha Denono. It's if I remember his name, I'll post it over here or in the description box. I like watching his videos. He's very entertaining. Oh, this has some weight. It has some heft to it. That's the packaging right there. Oh, pretty. I see some shimmers. Definitely a holiday look. I will probably post a video on this in the new year. That's really nice. It is. What else is in here? Oh. Next thing I have in here is from Volition. Oh, and this is the Snow Mushroom Water Primer. Ooh, sounds like a K-beauty brand, right? Okay, this is the packaging versus the box. Not too bad. Mushroom, huh? Interesting. Okay, so got my reading glasses on. They're a little dirty. I don't know what it is with glasses. Even with reading glasses, I don't understand this. How they get dirty so quickly. I don't understand, you know. And it's not like I'm putting my hands on the glass. I'm always putting them here. So I don't understand. Anyway, this is called Dermalactives. And this is their triple power collagen moisturizer. That sounds very ooh. Has heft. Here's the cap. And it has a pump. I don't know if you can see that pump. You see that pump? Yeah. So I just want to see what it does here. I'm going to do this real quick. There we go. Ooh, nice. Does it have a scent? It has a slight scent. Can't place it though, but it smells like a typical lotion. It's very thick. I don't know if you can see that is very thick right there. Mm. I know I just put it on my hand and maybe, I really shouldn't be wasting product like that. This does not feel like a $20 bottle of something or even a $10 bottle of something because this has heft, triple power collagen moisturizer. Well, maybe it goes on my face. Hello. So it feels very cooling when you place it on the skin. It doesn't say where it goes. I'm assuming it's my face. It would be funny if it was supposed to go someplace else. And for a product like this, I would not think twice about applying to my neck. I don't know if this is a night, like a nightly renewal type of thing or not, but I'm always about making sure not to neglect my neck. But it does have a fragrance. So again, for those who are not into any kind of fragrance in their skincare, this may not be for you. I mean, it smells like a typical, it smells like something I've smelled before. Has a slight citrusy scent to it. Put the cap back on. Why not? I'll try it. Make sure to apply it by the areas where my skin tends to wrinkle, like when I laugh or smile or go like, what the heck type of faces. So I try to put that in there to minimize my folds and wrinkles. Because, hey, we're all about trying to maintain that youthful exterior. So I would say overall, not bad, Ipsy, to ring out the the old into the new year. I'm definitely interested in the eyeliner. Always feel like that completes my look and makes me look ultra fancy. I'm liking the primer and the otherwise skin friendly products. I can't wait to try these all, and especially for this time of year when the air is very dry and it's very cold here in the Northeast in America, the US. I can't wait to include these in my skincare routine for the month of January. What do you think? Do you get Ipsy? Are you an Ipster or a boxy charmer? Let me know in the comments below. Let me know what you got in your recent December 2024 box. And hello, we made it to the end of 2024. How about that? So excited. I am excited. I am looking forward to 2025 and seeing what interesting things unfold. And if you haven't done so already, hit that like button, and even better, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll know my next video will be up. Thank you so much for joining me on my next video adventure, hopefully. And I'll see you on my next one. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.